Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the pickup paper feed roller assembly and the separation roller assembly on Xerox Workcentre 6515 model. First I will show you how to replace the pickup roller assembly. Take out the paper tray and let's rotate the device. Carefully. Here are our roller assemblies. How to replace them? Here. Push out this clutch. Push it and slide it out. The first one. For the second one we need to remove this cover, and the same way push this clutch and slide out the paper feed rollers. Then take the new ones, place it back, and the second one, place back the cover, and that's it. Let's continue with the separation roller. Now, to replace the separation roller assembly, press this to the left and take out the whole assembly. Then, from the paper feed rollers, press here and slide out the rollers. Then place back the new one, in a reverse order. Place from the right, then push down, and that's it. Everything is okay. So thank you very much. Good luck.